All right, good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, and let's do our calendar. So let's get started with the days of the week. So remember our days of the week song? So let's sing it. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. Actually sang the wrong song. I'm sorry. Let's do that again. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Very good. Do you remember how many days there are in a week? Go ahead and let's count. Remember, we talked about counting a little bit yesterday and representing numbers, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days in the week. Great. Let's look at our months of the year. Do you remember the months of the year song from yesterday? Remember? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Good job. Remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. 12 months in the year. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. So let's look at the days of the week. So do you think today is? So remember our song, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. What's this one? Thursday. If you said Thursday, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Mwah, you're so smart. Today is Thursday. If today is Thursday, what was yesterday? Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Yes, so yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So what will be tomorrow? There's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Starts with the F sound. That's right. If you said Friday, then you are correct, and that means it's the last day of the week for us for school. And then we have Saturday and Sunday, but those we don't have to come to school. So tomorrow is Fun Friday. Good job. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Fun Friday. Great. Let's look at our calendar. So how many days have we been in the month? Do you remember what month we're in? It starts with the S sound, remember? Which one of these has the S sound at the beginning? September. Good. So we are in the month of September. So let's take a look at our calendar for September, and we already counted it the first day. We know that there are 30 days because this is the number 30 in the month of September. And this was our first day of school. And let's just count how many days we have been in the month of September. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So today is the 10th. So we're going to say today, so say it with me. Today is September 10th, 2020. And also, did you notice that my apples are a little bit of a pattern, though I did mess this one up. So we're just going to skip that. Never mind. All right, but today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. What will tomorrow be? We know tomorrow is going to be Friday, but what number comes after 10? The number 11. So do you think tomorrow is going to be Friday, September 11th, 2020? You are so right. Great job. All right, let's go on. How many days have we been in school? So we started school on Tuesday, so we counted it. Yesterday was the second day, so today will be the third day. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3. So we have been in school for 3 days. And look, we are representing 3 inside of this 10 frame. So 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look at our number of the day. So since today is the third day of school, our number of the number 3. We are looking at the number 3. So we have to represent it on the number line. We're going to represent it in the 10 frame. We're not going to do the number bonds yet, but we will look at, we will look at what number comes before and what number comes after. So let's see. Do you see the number 3 on our number line? So we start at 0. Remember we talked about number lines yesterday. So we start at 0 and we count to 3. So count it with me. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is where we are going to put our dot. And it kind of got a little bit, could not see it very well, but that's okay. It's still there on the 3. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Also, we represented it inside of our 10 frame, right? So how many apples do we have? If we're talking about the number 3 today, how many apples do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, let's look at the number 3. Let's look at what number comes before, what number comes after. So if we are using our number line, find the number 3 and point to it with your finger. Here it is. So what comes before? So when we talk about before, we're talking about what comes in front. So what comes in front of the number 3? The number 2. Very, very good. The number 2. Great. So we would have to put 2 right here because it comes before. So what number comes after if we count? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the number 3, 2 comes before, and 4 goes after. Very good. Let's track the weather. We are going to track the weather today. So if you take a moment, go look outside and tell me, what is the weather like outside? From what I can see, it looks kind of cloudy. So we have 1 sunny day, and we have had 2 cloudy days. Very good. All right, this is the end of our calendar time. I can't wait to see you later. Hope you have a great day.